Welcome to Sanuka TV. Before we continue, make sure you subscribe so that to support our work and get more videos like this. Today I'm going to show you there are some settings which you must do when you have opened your YouTube channel, so that your YouTube channel can be accessible on YouTube. Not only that, but also to make sure you get 1,000 subscribers and 400 watch hours very easily. Now let us start with these settings. First of all, you have to enter in your YouTube site desktop, YouTube channel desktop. To do this, enter in Chrome. You enter in your Chrome here, you will see your YouTube channel. Let me show you this. For example, this is my YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel. It's still loading. Still loading. Now look here. This is my YouTube channel. I have 167 subscribers. Now there are some settings that you must do so that to make your YouTube channel accessible in YouTube. These are things that as a new YouTuber you must know them. You can open a YouTube channel, but there are some settings that you must do. There are some things that you must turn on and the others you must turn off, so that your YouTube channel can be accessible on YouTube and get more views and subscribers. Now, after you have entered, you have signed in to a YouTube Studio in the desktop site, you have to find a customization button, channel customization button, this one here. Now log in to customization button. After logging into your customization button like this, now come here and find the home tab. I think you see it here. Next to profile, there is a home tab button there. Click it. After clicking it, scroll to right hand side. See, this is the home tab. You have to turn on this home tab button, this one. If you see it here, I'm turning it on and off. If you turn it on, your YouTube channel will be accessible in YouTube. You can open your YouTube channel and find it in YouTube and you don't get it. This is because you didn't turn on the home tab button. If you turn on the home tab button, then your YouTube channel will be accessible in YouTube. After turning on your YouTube your home tab button, now you publish it. You publish. Yes. After open your YouTube your home tab button, you publish it. You publish like this. Now your YouTube channel will be accessible in YouTube. If you go on YouTube and find it, you'll get it. Now this is one of the settings that you must turn on so that your YouTube channel can be accessible in YouTube. Now another one, another settings that you must do. These are small settings. That one you can see. That one which I have explained is the most important. Another one is you come here in settings, scroll down and find the setting. After finding your setting, you come to channel. You click channel. After clicking channel, you come to advanced. You come to advanced settings. Advanced settings. Here there is some settings that you must turn on. After scrolling down here, you will see, do you want to set your channel as made for kids? Automatically, no. You have to take this one at the middle. No, set this channel as not made for kids. Almost never upload content that is made for kids. You have to set this one so that every video that you upload will be automatically set this channel as not made for kids. This will help you not to edit this setting after you upload each video. Therefore, after setting this, each video which you upload will be set this channel as made for kids. Then you save. After saving, nothing else. Your setting will have been published, and if you come to YouTube to find your channel, you'll get it there. Let us come to YouTube. And find here Star Global TV. Star Global TV. If you scroll down, you wanna get it. Star Global TV. This one here. Do you see it? This one. Star Global TV. This is my YouTube channel after turning on the home tab button. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe because I'll be releasing more videos like this on how to improve your YouTube channel and which things you must do and which you must not do so that you can get 1K subscribers easily in a few moments of time. Thank you.